Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of me learning SAS in public. Actually, day 4 took a long time, so instead of not wasting much time today, we'll just start what we learned. It's just a small topic today. We are not going to discuss any big topics. It's a very simple topic. It is like if you have created any data set. For example, I created a data set. Data test is my data set name, and we have values like input a, input name, age, gender, semicolon, and we have the values for it as like a 12, m, and b 13, f, c 14, m, semicolon, and then. So here we forward a semicolon, and for the name, since name is a character, we need a dollar symbol here, and gender is a character, again dollar symbol. So we have learned how to run a data statement. We should also check this color. If this color is not blue, then there is some mistake, because it's also maybe reading this. We'll just delete this line. Okay, see here, the color changes. So now this is the data set I have created. Just let me run it. Control A, F3 is a shortcut to run the code. So you see the output here, right? See here. So this is the output we have seen, right? Name, age, gender. If you want to see the tabular column, if you want to see the report of this, so how to see the report of the data? For example, for this data, I want to see the report. What statement I will use? PROC print data equals to the name of the data. For example, we have created this data set. We will use the name of this data set as test, semicolon. Again, run, semicolon. When you use this statement, you will see the output in a tabular column. Let me show you. See here. This is the tabular column. This statement helps us to show the output in this way. So this is a code. It is very easy. For example, let me take some more examples. For example, we'll take an example of data test 1. This time we will read a data set which is from the libraries. To read the data set which is already in these libraries, we'll use set statement. Set, for example, I want to read from the SAS help. Usually everyone refers this class library only. Let read it only. So set. So which library we're referring? SAS help dot class library. Again, semicolon. Here also we missed the semicolon. For a beginner, it is easy to miss semicolons. Please make sure once you write the code, go through all the lines. So now run. So see here, now we were able to read this data set from the SAS help library. Let me show you. When we run the code, see here, this is the data set we have read now. Now I want this data set to be in a tabular column. So how we will do that? Same, proc print data. Now you have to name the dataset. For example, now the dataset name is test1. So we have to write test1 in front of it and run semicolon. So when we run this code, we will see the output in the tabular form. See here. So this is what we have learned today. This is a very simple topic, but this is also very important. So this is our day 4 of learning. Actually, I got a very what you call I didn't got time to record videos from since too many days, so I thought let record a small topic today and just post it. It's always better to be doing something rather than doing nothing. So today's topic is this. We can also add one more topic here. I will show you how to write comments. That day I was not able to write comment here, right? If you write comment, for example, comments are used to tell, like, if to inform someone, right? For example, this is a data set I have created. So there is another person working on this data set, or I want another person is seeing this, so he can understand the data set easily by seeing the comment. So how we will do, whenever we are writing comments here in the data set, we should always not use shortcut. Here we should use this asterisk, and we'll write the comment as name. This is a data set of how many, this one columns, 3 columns. This is a data set of 3 columns, and how many observations? 1, 2, 3. 3 observations. Okay. So once the comment is completed, semicolon. See here. So whenever comment something here, and if you select the whole thing, this one also, okay, right, this one also selected, but when you run this code, the comment will not read. See, it is showing, log is not showing any error here, because this comment, the SAS ignores comment. SAS doesn't read comment. That day what I'm doing was, to this thing, I will just remove this. So here asterisk, if I remove asterisk and this semicolon, and there is a shortcut actually, control question mark. If you do that, this one, control question mark, whole code gets commented. So instead of that, what we'll do is, we'll just use this asterisk first, and then slash, sorry, slash not, it is semicolon. Another way of writing comment is, let me show you. Another way is, for example, this is a test data set. So another way of commenting is slash dash asterisk. Where is asterisk? Okay, here. Then end with asterisk slash. Sorry, slash or slash. So this is another way of writing comment. So whenever you comment, when we run this whole code, let me select all this code and run. The comment get ignored. The code will be as usual. So usually comments help us to mark something or note something. For example, we want to add something, note uh, to note something, or it's like a remark. We want to add something here. We want to tell something. If you are passing on this data set to someone, we want to tell them, like, see, this is the data set of 3 columns and 3 observations. This is the test data set. Like this, for example, this is a statement used for printing the code. So you can comment anywhere, but when you comment in this, during the, when you write this code and when you try to comment in front of that, you should always use this symbol, and here asterisk and slash. Okay, not use this shortcut control question mark. What will do, the whole code get selected. So this was from my day 4 learning. Thank you so much. If I will if I get to know a new topics today, I will record that today only. If not, I will try to record in the day 5. Okay, bye.